Good morning students, bonjour tout le monde. As you may see that today we are going to discuss the topic les articles. That means today we are going to discuss the articles. Like in English, we have articles, two type of articles in French language as well. One is definite article, another is indefinite articles. Definite article means the. In English, we have just one word for the, but in French language, we have four words. One is LE, another is LA, LES, and L apostrophe. And another is, that is indefinite article, that is a and. We have three things for that. One is UN, that pronunciation is a, UNE, pronunciation is yun, and DES, that is they. Today we are just going to discuss the definite article. That means we are going to talk about LE, LA, LES, and L apostrophe. See, you may be wondering, in English we have just one word, but in French language why four words are there? See, French word is totally technical and a lot of grammar is there in this language. So don't worry, I am going to explain when and where how to use these four alphabets. See, I have made these four columns are there. I have made one column. M stands for masculine, F stands for feminine, P stands for plural, and V stands for vowel. Masculine, feminine, plural, vowel. Four columns are there. See, LE is used for masculine, and the pronunciation that is here, that is simple L. F stands for feminine, and for feminine, in front of feminine we use LA, and the pronunciation is La. We need to be very clear about the pronunciation part. LE, LA, LES, and L apostrophe. Whenever we say LE, that means low sound should be there. Whenever LA is there, that means La. Ouvrez la bouche et parlez, open your mouth and clearly pronounce the word La. And third one is LAS, LES. And the pronunciation for that is Le. And the last is the simple pronunciation. What pronunciation we have here for L apostrophe, and for this LE we have the same pronunciation for L apostrophe and LE, same pronunciation. But LE is used for the masculine, LA is used for the feminine, LES is used for the plural, and L apostrophe is used for the vowel. Now the question comes where we use LE, LA. Fine, it's okay. I gave this concept. These things you have to use. But how we will make out whether the word is masculine, feminine, plural, or vowel? First we discuss about the feminine part. Feminine part, most of the time, 90% of the time in French language, when the word is ending with E. I repeat my sentence, 90% of the time in French language, when the word is ending with E, it is feminine. For example, let's take the example, TABLE. See, this word is ending with E. That's why this word is feminine. E indicates the word is feminine. So before that we will use la table. That means the table. See, it is ending with E. That's why we are using LA for that. I have already explained here. F stands for feminine, and when the word is ending with E, we use LA for that. This was the first example. Let's take the another example. PORTE. Porte means door. Porte means door. See, this word is also ending with E. That's why this word also belongs to feminine group. For that we will use LA. Right? Let's take one more example. That is FENETRE. Fenêtre means window. This word is also ending with E. That's why this word is also feminine. For that we will use LA. Okay. Feminine is clear to everyone? Now it's very easy. You have to check whether the word 90%, it's not, thumb rule is not there, but 90% of the time when the word is ending with E, it is feminine. One. Now come to the plural. Plural rule is same what we have in English. Whenever the word is ending with S, X, Z, इस पे end हो रहा है, that means the word is plural. For that we will use LES. For example, let's take the same example. TABLES. This word is ending with S. That's why this word is plural. For that we will use this one. LES form should be used here. Let's take the another example. This one P-O-R-T-E-S. This word is also ending with S. So that's why we will use L-E-S for here. So feminine is clear, plural is clear. Vowel, what are vowels? The same vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. These two vowels are extra in French language. So for vowel we have to see here we check the ending, here also we check the ending, but here in vowel you have to check the starting of the word. For example, let's take the vowel A-R-B-R-E, that means tree. This word is starting with vowel. This word is starting with vowel, that's why we will put L apostrophe in place of L-E. Okay, so let's take the another example for that. Étudiant. Let's take the another example for that. That is étudiant. Étudiant means student. E-T-U-D-I-A-N-T. See, this word is starting with vowel. That's why we will put L apostrophe here, right? Any word which is starting with vowel, any word, I repeat the sentence, any word which is starting with vowel, for that we will use L apostrophe article, right? So this is also clear. Feminine word is ending with E, that belongs to feminine group. The word which is ending with S, that is plural, and the word which is starting with vowel, that means A, E, I, O, U, H and Y, that is vowel. So for that we will put L apostrophe. Now only masculine part is left. What you have to check? Let's take any example for that. Say estilo, S-T-Y-L-O. Estilo means pen. Estilo means pen. Now check whether this word is ending with E. See, it's not ending with E, so we overrule this one. So we cannot use LA for this one. Now check the word plural for that. Whether the word is ending with S, see it is not ending with S, so we cannot use this one also. LES cannot be used here. Now check whether the vowel is applied, can be applied this part here. See vowel, this word is not starting with vowel, so we cannot use this one also. So what part is left? Only LE is left, so we have to use LE for this one. And let's take another example for that. Go. G-O-M-M-E. Go means eraser. Go means eraser. See, check whether this is ending with E. So we have to use LA here. We cannot use LE. When the word is ending with E, that means